Imagine you are a secured bond holder and you have invested in the bonds of an NBFC called ABC Limited. This basically means that you have given the NBFC ABC Limited money to continue and expand their operations. And therefore, ABC is obligated to pay you an interest. It is a lot like taking a fixed deposit from a bank. Now, let's say ABC has not been performing well, which means it cannot repay your debt. This means the NBFC is bankrupt or has defaulted. What happens now? In this situation, the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2019 comes into effect. And what happens when the code comes into effect? This code empowers the RBI to refer these NBFCs to insolvency courts. Now, how is the process initiated? RBI will initiate the bankruptcy proceedings against ABC Limited by filing an application with NCLT, which is the National Company Law Tribunal. Once the application is accepted by the NCLT, then a 6-month moratorium will come into effect where all legal proceedings against the company will be put on hold. During this period, the Committee of Creditors will make a plan to revive ABC Limited. The Committee of Creditors comprises of people and institutions like you who have invested in ABC. At the same time, the RBI will appoint an administrator who will look after the administration of the company during this period. There are 2 stages to this process. In the first stage, the Committee of Creditors, along with the administrator, will make a resolution plan which will try to revive ABC through various methods like reducing the interest rate or extending the loan tenure, or taking a haircut on the principal amount. If 66% of creditors agree to the plan will be executed. If the said percentage do not agree and the resolution plan is not executed, then the company may be liquidated or shut by NCLT. Now, when the company liquidates, how can a secured bondholder get back their money? The first option is to sell the cover pool or collateral against the bond and realize the money. The second option is to give away your rights to the liquidator, in which case you will receive the money in the following order. That's all for this video. If you have any more queries, please feel free to reach out to us on hello@wintwell.com or send us a message on our WhatsApp number.